guys, this is our vlog for Philosophy Day. I'm gonna introduce my team. One of them is missing, but hopefully he'll jump in. And if he doesn't jump in, Andrea, cut this part and add his intro.
Okay.
So, my name is Halima Sheikh, roll number 2407064, and we are recording World Philosophy Day. So let's go meet the others. Phew.
Hey guys, I'm Shalomi, roll number 2407066, and we are here trying to set up for Philosophy Day. So let's see how it goes, okay? Our deco person in the house, Miss Zoran Quadros. Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to introduce we're going to have the next member introduce themselves. See you there.
So, hey guys, I'm Andrea Gonsalves, roll number 2407094, and today we'll be recording Philosophy Day, or we'll try to organize it. So,
Illuminati.
say hi to my squad.
Hi! Y'all saw me first.
You saw me second.
So, we'll be keeping you guys posted on what's going on. So, keep watching.
Okay guys, so now we are setting up for Philosophy Day. So here we are, dear beloved Andrea, setting up the tripod because what in the world are both of you doing? Ew! Very nice.
Erasing the evidence. Halima's evidence.
Yeah.
A Philosophy Day.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
Not again. Not again. After this, we have like a few events that are planned, and we're going to be recording each one of those events. We have We Listen and We Don't Judge, which is like a debate
Yay!
session. We have the poetry hour.
So, basically, it's like we roast each other,
Yeah.
okay? And rage bait each other.
Bruh.
So, yeah.
Shout out to our background enhancer.
GYs and all, whatever activities. and
Sam,
all
say
that.
hi.
So by Thursday.
This is our final English vlog.
Okay.
A very smart person because she was able to turn on what I'm talking on right now.
It's called a mic, by the way. So.
There is, it's a mic. As you can see, I'm not crazy. I'm not hallucinating.
Sure.
Yeah.
What do you guys have to say?
I'm just a pure genius.
The mic was not working and we were trying all possible ways.
Yeah.
Okay, let me reverse.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is Halima.
Hi guys.
Tell
Do I
me-
need a mic?
Do you all need me to use a mic? Okay.
Yes.
Need me to use a mic.
Okay.
Now you have a beautiful voice.
Thank you, Jolie, your beautiful face, sister. So, everyone, welcome to World Philosophy Day. This
Art
is
Deco.
Philosophy Department. Hi.
This is our rehearse.
This is me, beautiful me. So much.
It's good. It's good, okay.
So, Philosophy Day. Our thing that we are doing today is Zoran is
The honorary.
What the fuck is that?
Trying to write.
We are trying to vlog. You do the drawing. I'm doing the letter. Right now we have Zoe and Shalomi trying to make it look presentable. Andrea, who is very dedicated with her vlogging, and then she's going to use who is to support herself and it is all. Yeah. And then in the middle of all this shit, we have poor Joy patiently bearing with our bullshit. Welcome to the Philosophy Department. Honey, we do not have
more
rules.
round than I am.
Sorry. Something very bad, Zoe.
Look here. Look at our attempt 2 of writing
Why is no one?
World Philosophy Day. Yeah.
Nobody comes feels perfect happening.
What are you doing?
Any poems you missed?
What are you trying to do? Shalomi. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to guys do Thursday. It's not working out, man.
Okay.
This is the behind the scenes politics of a statement, please.
What statement?
I don't know, say anything about us.
Philosophy Day.
See what good children we are.
Okay, so they are basically trying to curry up to the teacher, I guess.
Yes.
You show the person who's doing that.
We did, we have her. Shalomi, good job. Zoe, thank you for the emotional support. Extra credits. Jolene, shout out.
I don't know, my show is full.
Philosophy department, what's the time now? Okay, I cannot see the time. Okay, it's 2 o'clock, 15 more minutes to go. This one is on now and
SS.
Sorry.
ASS.
What is it?
College name.
Oh yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, PCAS, not
I sure.
So,
shall
would you
we
give us
put
a
day
statement for
at the
our
bottom and then try putting philosophy? So
we give existential dread to a new person. Okay. Are you a religious person?
Yes.
Do you believe God is all knowing? He knows everything. Do you think He's all loving?
She'll go back to the English department. I know. Yes.
And do you believe He's all powerful and controlling everything?
Sorry?
He is all powerful. He is in control of everything.
Yes.
Go.
So, how many times
Are you
have
kidding
heard,
me?
Like your parents, your elders say this. There's always voice.
Okay, now
back.
enough. Now how you put that down?
You know that that belief that your life is written
Many
down
times.
before you are born. So doesn't that mean your mistakes are also written down and God Himself
That's
created your
what I
mistakes?
think of sometimes. Okay.
You know that? So
A few moments later.
it don't make anything else. You see, if
1 hour later.
God is all loving, then why is there that much hate in this world?
That's what I think. But then even I think.
Welcome to philosophy. We question that every day, and that dear man sitting over there, he amplifies the doubt in us.
I think if all this was supposed to happen, and if God was everything, then what about Satan?
Exactly. That's my question to them half the time. Like, if God wanted, and if Satan was that bad, couldn't have God just gone, oh, because of you, my children will suffer. God.
Yes, but then I don't know, maybe just because we should have, experience, you could say. He wanted us.
Experience can be this thing, okay, you make a mistake, you fracture a hand. What about genocide? What about rapes? What about murders?
Why do you need that kind of an
Why do you
experience?
need that kind of evil?
Oh, that's a really good question, which I can't answer.
You see, it started small.
So
Post this on the
basically,
story.
I could say maybe it's temptation of devil. Maybe Satan's temptation.
But then
Or
who
maybe
created the devil?
He was created.
Jolene is
He
going
was
to
from the dust.
don't traumatize people, they'll stop coming for us.
I swear.
Have you done?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now you can think of this the whole day. 10 minutes for showtime, guys.
Oh God.
I put it on groups, I put it on the TY groups also. So those who are there can
Say something, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to go.
ऐसे pressure में कहीं को डालती तू?
How many are
10
philosophy
minutes to
majors
go.
in second year?
Okay.
In the sense, first major.
10 minutes to go.
Yoni,
Please come.
and who, third one.
Please do come.
Huh?
Now we are continuing with the vlog. I'm the host. Host 2.
I should be called that well.
Host 3 is that side. She did not want to sit with us. Yeah. And she abandoned. She's sitting there. My camera is not flipping. Never mind. Let me show you all what's happening now. Third host who did not want to sit with us. There is Zoran. There is ma'am. And then there is sir.
Later on, we wanted to come also, but time did not allow it. So, back to the philosophy. I don't know, I really just like the questions now. So, my friend's question,
that's how our philosophy day went. It's 4:15. I tried to look for a watch, but I realized I was wearing one. Yeah.
Very eventful day, guys.
Yes. Very not so scripted day. It's like we did whatever we had to. Something came up in our mind and we just blurted it.
Yeah. It was good.
So that's philosophy department, guys. That's philosophy department. We hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thanks for watching.